Okay, so we got this situation. Let set S equals to 4, 6, 9. Okay, T equals 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 dot 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 till 1000. Okay, so if A, okay, A is another set which contains a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot 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 ak. K belongs to natural number, so K things you have to take, and these a1 a2 a3 a4 a dot 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 k is taken from set S. Okay, then the sum of all the elements in the set T minus A is, okay, so you know that from set T you have elements starting from 9, 10, 11, 12 dot 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 1000. So you have these kind of elements in set T. Now we have to try to create set A. Okay, and then we will do subtraction, and then we will have required set. So I feel that required number, required set. Okay, so I feel that in set A there will be some of elements will stay. Okay, so let's imagine, and in difference you know that you will like, what is this? T minus A means what? T minus A means you will keep only those, means you have to remove elements from set T which exist in set A. Okay, now try to imagine in set A, do you think 9 can stay? Yes, it can. I will take only 9. Okay, so means in case 1 I will take only 9, and we will have that element in set. Now think about 10. Can we create 10 using the elements of set S? Yes, I will be using 6 and 4, and 10 is done. Now think about 11. 11, 6, 4, 10, 9. No, you cannot create. 15, 13. You cannot create this element 11. 4, 4, 8, 12. You cannot create. This means we cannot create 11. Okay, now look at this. Now think about 12. Yes, I can create. I will take a1 as 6, a2 as 6. So 6 plus 6, 12, done. Now think about 13. 9 and 4. I will take a1 as 9, a2 as 4. So 13 is yes. 14, yes. 6, 4 and 4, 14. 14 will also be there in set S, set A. 15, 9 and 6. 16, 6, 4, 6. Okay, 16 done. 17, 9, 4, 4. Okay, 18, 6, 4, 4, 4. Okay, so there will all the means after this every element will stay. The only problem is 11. We cannot create 11. So if we will talk about the difference of T minus A set will be 11 only. Means we will remove the elements from set T which exist in set A. So 9 stays, 9 removed, 10 stays, 10 removed, 12 stays, 12 removed. This 1000 stays, 1000 removed. So only one element you cannot create in set A is 11. Okay, but they are interested in finding what? Then the sum of all the elements in the set this is. So there is only one element. So required sum will be what? It will be 11. I hope this idea is clear. Okay.